Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to our channel, Business Mentality, and in this video we're going to be looking for some phone cases to buy and resell for the Samsung Galaxy S10. So at the time of recording this video, this phone comes out in a couple of weeks, so we're going to be looking at some different phone cases to resell on eBay. So if we come to eBay and we type in the Samsung Galaxy S10 phone case, if I can type it right, we can see a lot of people are already selling it, and it's a couple weeks before the phone is actually released. So what we're trying to do is just be ahead of the game and just order this phone case before it comes out, so hopefully we will have it by the time that it comes out. So in this video we're going to be looking at DHGate. Now there's a couple of other websites that sell a bunch of different products wholesale. For example, AliExpress and Alibaba. But we're going to be focusing on DHGate for this video. So what we're going to do is just come to DHGate and type in Samsung Galaxy S10 phone case, and we can see a bunch of different listings right here. So we already ordered a phone case, but this is a bunch of these are some different options that are available right now. There's this wallet phone case, there's this armor phone case, but we went with something that's a little more basic. Now if you click on any of these listings, you can see it's going to show you the different options, so we can pick our color: black, dark blue, dark brown, and then you pick for what model. So they don't even have it for the S10, but this is the S9. So right here you're going to see what the price is for 100 pieces. So if you get 100 pieces, which is the minimum order, you're going to be paying 86 cents for each one. So that comes down to $86. But if you buy more, you get it for a cheaper price, and that's pretty much how it works with all these wholesale websites. So let's look at a different example. This is a good one right here. This is probably something, this is similar to the one that we picked. So this is black, and for the S10 the minimum order is 100 pieces, and we would be paying $2.42 for each one. But let's say right here we order 262 for a price break. So we would be paying $2.02 for each case, which would come out to $5.29, which is a lot to invest up front. But if you can resell them for maybe $10 each, then that's a good, you're gonna make a good profit right there. So let's go back and keep on looking. Okay, so I found a listing where we the same listing that for the same phone case that we purchased. So this one right here, we just picked a black color just to keep it basic, and it's going to be for the S10. So right here it shows that the minimum order is 60 pieces. So for 60 pieces you're going to be paying $184 with 80 cents. So we ordered 200 just so it can be cheaper for us, and it comes out to $5.44, which comes out to be $2.72, which is not bad for a phone case, since this is going to be a popular phone because it's a brand new one. I mean, it's going to be selling pretty quick. And if you're new to buying from these online websites, I mean, I just recommend that you look at the transactions and the reviews for any of these products, because most people, they leave honest reviews. If there's anything wrong with the item, they'll let other people know by posting it in the reviews. And if you want to come and see the item description, it's down here. You can see the colors, and just for better pictures. and basically it just describes all the features of the item, and that's basically it. So all you have to do in order to buy this is just add to cart. And since we already ordered it, so that's basically all you have to do. You just have to create a free account and just add your information and then just check out. And then usually, since these are from overseas Chinese wholesale websites, I mean, it does take about between 2 to 3 weeks. It depends on the seller, how fast they ship out the product. And I mean, sometimes it can take a week and a half, sometimes it can take 3 weeks. It all depends. So right here it says estimated delivery time March 4th and 7th. And they ship out within 3 business days, which is pretty fast. So that's basically it. That's what we're going to do is see. We ordered these cases and we're going to see how well they sell on our eBay store. And we'll give you guys another video of an update on how we do with selling them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys learned something, don't forget to leave a like and let us know in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you want to see more videos like this where we show you how to post items and sell items on eBay and other methods to make money on the side, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. So that's pretty much it. So we'll see you guys in the next one.